Hello there, my name is Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Papercraft with Me YouTube channel. Today I have a quick 30-second solution for you, and it involves acrylic blocks. Clear acrylic blocks used for either clear mount red rubber stamps or for the see-through photopolymer type stamps. And Stampin' Up do a lovely range of different size blocks, from the very small to the very large, and some long ones as well. This is their acrylic block Caddy, which you can purchase. It comes with this insert. You buy the case empty and then you can buy the blocks to go inside. It also comes with a piece of foam to separate the blocks up, and actually this is the foam that I use when I'm stamping with photopolymer stamps. I use this underneath my paper because it gives it just enough cushion to be able to get a good image. So the blocks you buy separately, or you can buy all of them as a bundle and you'll save 10% if you buy it like that. So that's the first thing. But of course the question is, which size block do you need when you're stamping? And the Stampin' Up catalogue is great, because when you look at a stamp in the catalogue, you can see the stamped images. They're almost always at 100%, so the size you see is the size of the stamp. It gives you the name of the stamp set, how many are in the set, and whether they're rubber stamps or photopolymer stamps. And then underneath you have the item number, the price, and then this one is with the wood blocks included, and this one is without the wood blocks. But then it tells you the suggested sizes. So each block has a letter engraved on it, and I can just about see that this one, if you can see there, that says B. So that's a B block, which is not what I need there. I need an A block. That's an A block. I need a D block. That is the D block. It has it engraved on it, but it tells you what you need. I have one of every size. I also have extras of certain sizes I use a lot of, like the A block and the B block. So if you're ever wondering what size acrylic blocks you need for a particular stamp set, just look at the bottom of the catalogue there and it will tell you. So I hope that's been useful. If you need any Stampin' Up products, or you'd like any more information about Stampin' Up, just contact me via my website, tracyelsom.stampinup.net, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.